Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about the Qualcomm's late 2015 roadmap, which is leaked out, which show pretty awesome stuff. So according to this leaked roadmap, Qualcomm is planning to release its Snapdragon 820, which is going to be the successor to the current Snapdragon 810 system chip second half of this year 2015. And also we might see this one inside of the Galaxy Note 5 might. But also if you talk about its improvements and all that, it will have two key advancements over the previous generation. It will have a quick transition to 14 nanometer FinFET manufacturing at Samsung and global foundries, and also it also going to have a custom Qualcomm 64-bit CPU cores under the Taipan architecture. Now, Qualcomm has dominated the market in the past 3 years with its Snapdragon chips featuring great CPU cores found in most of the major flagships. We've seen Nexus 4, Nexus 5, Galaxy S5, S4, and then Note 3, Note 4. So a lot of devices out there to name which are coming with the Qualcomm chipset, and mainly Samsung have ditched Exynos as their main international variant. So basically we have the Snapdragon variants, which are the main international variant for the whole world. So Snapdragon 820 is expected to feature an octa-core processor with high performance cores. Now we might see it inside of the Galaxy Note 5 this year, or maybe Sony Xperia Z4 or Z5 I should say. So as far as the GPU is concerned, the Snapdragon 820 will going to feature a new Adreno 530 GPU, which is support for the faster LPDDR4 RAM as well as the advanced MDM9X55 LTE, a Cat 10 Qualcomm modem. So this is not the only Snapdragon chipset that is planned for the second half of the 2015. The other one is going to be a Snapdragon 815, which is again an octa-core design, but this time instead of TS2 cores like we have inside of the Snapdragon 820, it will have the 4 TS1 cores and 4 TS2 cores in big little configuration like we've seen with Samsung Exynos octa-core CPUs. Now the GPU of the choice in the 815 is an Adreno 450 with the modem and RAM standard remaining the same, MDM9X55 with LDA Cat 10 modem and LPDDR4 RAM module. If we talk about the mid-range territory, we have three solutions: the Snapdragon 620, Snapdragon 625, and 629. Now the Snapdragon 625 and 629 look identical. Both are octa-core SoCs with Adreno 418 GPU, LPDDR4 RAM, and a lower class MDM9X45 LTE, a Cat 10 modem. All manufactured on 20 nanometer HKMG Samsung GF process. And there are no details about whether we'll see Qualcomm's own core design here or some normal ARM Cortex solution. The Snapdragon 620 on its part is a more affordable quad-core chip that is said to use Qualcomm's Taipan cores running between 2 to 2.5 gigahertz, and also come with some lesser standard LPDDR3 RAM instead of LPDDR4, and also it will have a 418 Adreno GPU with MDM9X45 LTE, a Cat modem. Now finally, leaks reveal a Snapdragon 616 chip that is expected to come with 8 ARM Cortex A53 cores running at between 1.8 to 2.2 gigahertz, and support an Adreno 408 graphic chips. So this processor will come in a LTE, a Cat 6 modem, and is made on a 28 nanometer HKMG by Shanghai-based Semiconductor Manufacturing International Company factory. So this might be a mid-rangers like Snapdragon 16. We're going to be like 620 and the 625 and 629. They will all going to be inside of phones like maybe S6 Mini. So Qualcomm is really stepping up its game for the year 2015. We'll see a lot of devices. Actually, maybe all of the devices, all Android devices are going to be powered with Qualcomm chipset. And so it will going to become an extremely great threat to Apple to produce these awesome processor. And it will be fun to test out benchmarks and compare with the current CPUs we have, Snapdragon 800 series. So definitely Qualcomm. I really like those chipsets and battery life and all that good stuff. So Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next one. Peace out.